Buehler Companies does household moves. We've been known for that forever. We've been a Mayflower agent since 1937. That started out as the core of our business. It's evolved over the past few years, and we've diversified a lot, especially since 2008. And we've always been big into office moving. We're into logistics. We're into setting up and dismantle and creating office space. Girl Scout cookies. Whenever cell site batteries need to be changed, which is every 3 years, we take the batteries out and we change the batteries in the cell sites. I feel like how we are different than anyone else is the pride we take, and our people are in uniform, they're background checked, we train them, we teach them how we want to do it. Now, that's something we're always working on. We have a training room that we're building right now that's going to represent a replica of a house. So we're going to teach people how to come in and pad things right and put things in a room and set up a house. And then we also have an office moving area where we're teaching people to put up panel systems. All that's really important because it makes people, if you're investing in your people, they know you care. And if they know that you care about them, then they want to do better. And it's just human nature.